Hello and welcome to Confident English Cast. My name is Henry.
Hi everyone, I'm Sophia. We are happy you are here today.
This show is for beginner English learners. We speak slowly and clearly.
And we keep it friendly, like two friends talking in a cafe.
If you like learning with us, please subscribe and like this video.
It helps our channel, and it helps more learners find simple English.
Today's topic is very simple and very useful.
Yes, we will talk about a normal day, morning to night.
You can use these sentences every day.
You can also copy our sentences and change small words. Then it becomes your story.
Exactly. Okay, Sophia, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I feel light and happy today. How about you?
I'm okay. Calm, but a little messy inside.
Messy inside? Like your room?
Yes, like my room, and also like my brain.
What happened?
This morning, I tried to be very organized.
And did it work?
No, it did not work.
Oh no. Tell us.
I made a plan last night, a strong plan, a new Henry plan.
I love a new Henry plan.
Step 1, go to bed early. Step 2, wake up early. Step 3, have a perfect morning.
That sounds beautiful.
It sounds beautiful, but real life said, no, Henry.
What did real life do?
Real life gave me a loud alarm, a missing sock, and cold toast.
Cold toast is very sad toast.
Yes, it was a tragedy.
Okay, listeners. Today you will hear many useful words about daily routines.
Daily routine means the things you do again and again.
Like wake up, wash your face, eat breakfast, go to work or school.
Yes, so let's start with a normal day.
Henry, let's talk about yesterday. From morning to night.
Yesterday was not perfect, but it was real.
Perfect. Real English for real life.
Okay, yesterday morning the first thing I did was wake up.
Wake up. That means you stop sleeping.
Yes, I woke up at 6:45 a.m.
6:45. That is early.
I know, I wanted to be productive.
Were you productive?
For about 9 seconds,
That's still something.
my alarm rang and I opened my eyes.
Did you get up right away?
No, I stayed in bed.
How long?
I told myself 2 minutes.
And it was
It was 12 minutes.
honest Henry.
Then I finally got out of bed.
Get out of bed means you stand up and leave the bed.
Yes, I stood up and I stretched my arms.
Stretching feels good in the morning.
It does. Then I walked to the bathroom.
And what did you do in the bathroom?
First, I used the toilet. Very real life.
Thank you for sharing.
Then I washed my hands with soap.
Good habit.
Then I brushed my teeth.
What toothpaste do you use?
I use a lemon mint one. It tastes strange, but I like it.
Lemon and mint. Interesting.
After that, I washed my face.
Cold water or warm water?
Warm water. I am not brave.
Same. Warm water feels kind.
Then I dried my face with a towel.
Dry means you remove water.
Right? Then I looked at myself and said, okay, Henry, today is a new day.
Did you believe yourself?
Almost. Then I heard a sound from my stomach.
Your stomach said, food, please.
Exactly. So I went to my kitchen.
What did you have for breakfast yesterday?
I wanted to make eggs,
That sounds nice.
but I was still sleepy, so I made something easier.
What did you make?
I made toast with cheese.
Toast with cheese. Simple and good.
I also cut an apple,
Healthy.
and I made tea.
Tea team.
But here's the funny part.
Oh no. What happened?
I forgot the tea bag.
You made hot water.
Yes, I made confident hot water.
That is a skill.
I drank one sip and thought, this tea is very quiet.
Quiet tea.
Then I laughed at myself and added the tea bag.
Great. So you ate breakfast. Then what?
After breakfast, I cleaned the table.
Clean the table means remove crumbs and dirty things.
Yes, I also washed the dishes.
Dishes are plates, cups, forks, and spoons.
Correct. I washed them in the sink.
Did you wash them right away?
Yes, because if I wait, they become a big mountain.
Dish mountain is scary.
Then I got dressed.
What did you wear yesterday?
I wore a white shirt and gray pants.
Simple and neat.
I also wore sneakers because I planned to walk.
Walk to work?
Not all the way. I walked to the train station.
Train station. So you take a train.
Yes, my commute is by train.
Commute means your travel from home to work or school.
Exactly. My commute is not long, but it has many steps.
Tell us the steps.
Step 1. I check my bag.
What do you check?
Phone, keys, wallet, and a water bottle.
Good list.
Step 2. I leave my apartment.
Leave means go out.
Yes, I lock the door.
Great. Then,
Step 3. I walk to the station. It takes about 8 minutes.
is it a nice walk?
It is nice, but yesterday it was windy.
Windy means there is a lot of wind.
Yes, my hair was doing a dance.
Stylish.
When I arrived at the station, I bought a ticket.
Did you use a card or cash?
I used the card.
Then you waited for the train.
Yes, the train arrived at 8:05.
Were there many people?
Not too many. I found a seat.
Lucky. What did you do on the train?
I listened to an English podcast.
Good idea.
I also looked out the window and tried to relax.
Relax means rest and feel calm.
Yes, but then I remembered something.
What?
The missing sock.
The sock from this morning.
Yes, I only had one clean sock, so I wore 2 different socks.
Oh, Henry.
One sock was black, the other sock was dark blue.
That is not too bad.
True, but in my mind it was a big drama.
Beginner learners, here is a useful sentence. I wore 2 different socks.
Yes, past tense. I wore.
Okay, Henry, you arrived at work. What time?
I arrived at 8:30 a.m.
What do you do for work, Henry?
I work at a small community center.
Community center is a place for classes and activities, like language classes, art, and sports.
Yes, I help with programs and simple office work.
So you have a desk?
I do. I turned on my computer and checked my schedule.
Schedule means your plan for the day.
Exactly. Yesterday, I had 2 main tasks.
What were they?
First, I prepared a room for a cooking class.
Prepared means made it ready.
Yes, I moved chairs, cleaned tables, and put out papers.
Great. And the second task?
I answered emails and phone calls.
That is very common work.
Yes, and I talked to my colleague Mina.
Colleague means a person you work with.
Right, Mina is friendly and very organized.
The opposite of messy inside.
Yes, she is calm like a quiet lake. I am more like a small storm.
A cute storm.
Thanks.
Okay, let's talk about your morning at work. Did you have a break?
Yes. At 10:30, I took a short break.
What did you do?
I drank water and ate a small snack.
Snack is a small amount of food between meals.
Yes, I ate a yogurt.
Nice. Then you worked more.
Yes. At 12:15, it was lunchtime.
What did you have for lunch yesterday?
I brought lunch from home.
What did you bring?
Rice, vegetables, and chicken.
That sounds filling.
It was. I ate with Mina in a little break room.
Did you talk?
Yes. We talked about weekends.
Weekends are Saturday and Sunday.
Correct. Mina told me she went to a market and bought flowers.
That's nice.
I told her I stayed home and tried to cook, but I burned my onions.
Burned means cooked too much, so it becomes black.
Yes, my onions were very confident black.
Like your confident hot water.
Yes, I have a style.
Okay, now it's my turn.
Yes. Sophia, tell us about your day yesterday.
Okay, yesterday was busy, but in a good way.
Great. What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 7:10 a.m.
That's not too early.
Yes, I like a gentle morning.
What was the first thing you did?
I turned off my alarm and sat up in bed.
Sat up means you move from lying down to sitting.
Yes. Then I opened my window.
Why?
I wanted fresh air.
Fresh air feels good.
Then I made my bed.
Made my bed means you fix the blanket and pillow and make it neat.
Exactly. Then I went to the bathroom.
Same start as me.
In the bathroom, I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Shower or no shower?
Yesterday, yes. I took a quick shower.
Quick means fast, not long.
Right. Then I got dressed.
What did you wear?
I wore a green sweater and jeans.
Comfortable.
Then I went to the kitchen and made breakfast.
What did you make?
I made oatmeal.
Oatmeal is warm breakfast food made with oats.
Yes. I added banana and a little honey.
Yum.
I also made coffee.
Wait, you drink coffee?
Sometimes. I love tea too, but yesterday I wanted coffee.
Very brave.
Then I checked my messages on my phone for a few minutes.
Just a few minutes.
Yes, I tried.
And then you started work?
Almost. First, I had to do one small thing.
What?
Laundry.
Laundry is washing clothes.
Yes. I put my clothes in the washing machine.
Very responsible.
Thank you. I felt like an adult for 5 minutes.
5 minutes is enough.
Then I started work. I work online as a language tutor.
Tutor is a teacher who helps one person or a small group.
Yes. I had my first class at 9 a.m.
Did you work from home?
Yes. My commute is from my kitchen to my desk.
That is the best commute.
It is. But I still have a morning start routine.
Tell us.
I sit down. I open my notebook. I open my computer. I take a deep breath.
Deep breath helps you feel calm.
Then I smile, because my students need a friendly teacher.
That is very Sophia.
Thank you. Yesterday, I had 3 classes in the morning.
Did you drink water?
Yes. I always keep a big bottle of water near me.
Great habit.
At 11:30, I had a longer break.
What did you do?
I cleaned my room a little.
Cleaned means made it tidy.
Yes. I tidied up my desk.
Tidy up is a great phrase. It means make things neat and in the right place.
Exactly. Then I checked my laundry.
Was it finished?
Yes. So I hung my clothes to dry.
Hang means put on a line or a hanger.
Right. Then it was lunchtime.
What did you eat?
I made a simple noodle soup.
Nice and warm.
I also ate an orange.
Healthy.
After lunch, I took a short walk outside.
Great idea.
The sky was bright and the air was cool.
So you walked, and then you worked again.
Yes. In the afternoon, I had 2 more classes.
Were they easy?
One class was easy, and one class was challenging.
Challenging means a little difficult.
Yes. The student was shy.
Shy means nervous to speak.
Exactly. So I spoke slowly and used simple questions.
Good teacher.
At 4:30, I finished work.
What did you do after work?
First, I did errands.
Errands are small jobs outside, like going to the store or the bank.
Yes. I went to the supermarket.
What did you buy?
I bought vegetables, eggs, and bread.
Practical.
And I bought one small treat.
What treat?
Chocolate cookies.
Cookies again. The world loves cookies.
Yes. Then I came home and started dinner.
What did you make?
I cooked fried rice with vegetables and egg.
Great. Quick and tasty.
While I cooked, I listened to music.
Music makes cooking more fun.
After dinner, I washed the dishes.
Responsible again.
Then I called my sister.
How long did you talk?
About 20 minutes.
Nice.
After that, I had free time.
Free time is time when you are not working and you can do what you want.
Yes. In my free time yesterday, I watched a funny video and laughed a lot.
Laughter is good.
Then I prepared for today.
How?
I packed my bag for the morning.
Packed means put things in a bag.
Yes. I put my notebook, my charger, and a pen in my bag.
Charger is for your phone or computer battery.
Right. Then I took a shower and brushed my teeth.
Same night routine as many people.
Then I got into bed at 10:45 p.m.
Did you look at your phone?
A little. But I tried to stop.
How did you stop?
I put my phone on the table, not on the bed.
Smart.
Then I read a very easy book for 10 minutes.
And then you slept.
Yes, I slept quickly.
Wonderful.
Henry, your day and my day are different, but the structure is similar.
Yes. Morning, commuter start work, lunch, afternoon, evening, night.
Now let's help our listeners practice speaking.
Good idea. Let's do simple repeat and speak practice.
Everyone, choose Henry's day or Sophia's day, or mix them.
Ready? Say these sentences out loud after us.
Sentence 1. I woke up at 7.
Sentence 2. I stayed in bed for a few minutes.
Sentence 3. I got out of bed and went to the bathroom.
Sentence 4. I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
Sentence 5. I got dressed.
Sentence 6. I made breakfast and ate breakfast.
Sentence 7. I washed the dishes.
Sentence 8. I started work at 9:00.
Sentence 9. I had lunch at 12.
Sentence 10. I finished work in the late afternoon.
Great. Now let's make it personal.
Listeners, change one word. Change the time. Change the food.
For example, I woke up at 6, or I woke up at 9.
Or I ate bread. Or I ate noodles.
Small changes give you big speaking practice.
Now, Sophia, should we do a mini vocabulary lesson like we always do?
Yes. Vocabulary time. Simple, useful words from today.
We will explain each word in easy English.
And we will give you an example sentence.
Word number 1. Alarm.
Alarm is the sound that wakes you up. Many people use an alarm clock or a phone alarm.
Example. My alarm rang at 6:45.
Word number 2. Routine.
Routine is what you do again and again, often every day.
Example. My morning routine is wash my face, eat breakfast, and get dressed.
Word number 3, commute.
Commute is your travel from home to work or school.
Example, my commute is by train.
Word number 4, schedule.
Schedule is your plan for the day. It tells you what you need to do and when.
Example, I checked my schedule at work.
Word number 5, snack.
A snack is a small food between meals.
Example, I ate a yogurt as a snack.
Word number 6, laundry.
Laundry is washing clothes.
Example, I did laundry in the morning.
Word number 7, errands.
Errands are small jobs outside, like going to the supermarket or the pharmacy.
Example, after work, I did errands.
Word number 8, tidy up.
Tidy up means make a place neat and clean, and put things in the right place.
Example, I tidied up my desk before my class.
Great. Now, let's practice pronunciation in a simple way.
We say the word. You repeat.
Alarm,
Routine.
commute,
Schedule.
snack,
Laundry.
errands.
Tidy up.
Excellent.
Now we will use them in a short mini conversation.
Yes, listeners, you can shadow this. That means you speak at the same time as us.
Ready, Henry?
Ready.
Henry, what time did your alarm ring yesterday?
My alarm rang at 6:45.
Wow. And what is your morning routine?
My routine is simple. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and eat breakfast.
How is your commute?
My commute is by train. It takes about 20 minutes.
Did you check your schedule at work?
Yes, I checked my schedule and prepared a room for a class.
Did you eat a snack?
Yes, I ate a snack at 10:30.
And did you do any errands after work?
No. I went home and rested.
I did errands. I went to the supermarket.
Nice. Did you do laundry too?
Yes. I did laundry in the morning.
You are very organized.
Not always. But I tidied up my desk and I felt better.
That's a great tip, everyone. A tidy space can help you feel calm.
Now, Henry, let's add one more very useful life sentence.
Okay.
I need to recharge.
Recharge means get your energy back, like a phone battery, but for you.
Yes. You can say, I'm tired. I need to recharge.
I love that.
Okay. Now it's time for the question of the day.
This is the part where you write a comment and practice English.
Keep it simple. One sentence is perfect.
Today's question is about your evening.
Because evenings are special. Some people rest. Some people study. Some people cook.
Here is the question.
What do you do after dinner to relax?
For example, you can write, after dinner, I watch TV.
Or, after dinner, I take a walk.
Or, after dinner, I study English for 10 minutes.
Beautiful answer.
And if you want to use today's vocabulary, try this. After dinner, I tidy up.
Or, after dinner, I need to recharge.
We will read your comments.
And remember, small mistakes are okay.
Yes, speaking and writing are practice. Practice is progress.
Henry, any final words for our listeners?
Yes. If your day is busy, you are not alone.
If your day is hard, you are not alone.
And if you wore 2 different socks, you are also not alone.
That is true.
Keep going. One small step every day.
Thank you for learning with us on Confident English Cast.
Please like, subscribe, and share this episode with a friend.
See you next time.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.